Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. Today we have a lot of news, which is one of the news is something very important you need to hear of. So let me start from the first news. So this is from our country India, and this is related to Proton Mail. So right now the Indian courts order to block of the Proton Mail. The reason being, Karnataka High Court actually ordered the government to block the Proton Mail under the section 69A of IT Act, right? This was actually triggered by a complaint where the AI generated deepfake emails with options content was found actually. And the court actually noted that Proton Mail was used in the past hoax threats too. Because right now Proton Mail, if you're working as a law enforcement agency, then if you are going to ask the Proton Mail, sir, I want IP address of this Proton Mail ID, then they will say no, we don't follow it. But in case of US, probably they provide all the thing. This is not something good, and probably that was the good initiative by the government of India to block the Proton Mail. I usually uh, don't want any country to be inclined to the US only. Anyways, now the next news and huge news is coming from Meta. So Meta launch actually LLAMA firewall for the safer AI, right? You can see Meta launches framework for stop AI jailbreak. That's great injections and ensure code, right? So here you can see a image as well. Actually, this is a tool which is aligned to LLMs with custom safety rules. Actually, here you can see user and before LLM generated AI model, you need to interact with the LLM Llama firewall, where there is a prompt guard, there is a code shield, there is a rule based custom scanner, and there is LLM based custom scanner. Right. Once you get to the LLM generative AI model, then LLM fire once again. Then agent tool will respond. Then again it goes to this area. Right. So this is very good. This is actually going to help prevent prompt injection and restrictions unsafe output actually. So this is open source and aiming to make the AI devs more secure by default. So that is good. I really appreciate the Meta team. Now next news is coming from Nebulous Mantis. Basically, Mantis is targeting the NATO entities, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This is a kind of organization where I guess 32 countries are there, 32 or 18 countries are there who are working together, right? And this is actually created to just make Russians out, right? So there's a APT group which is called Nebulous Mantis that is targeting the NATO-linked aligned agencies, right? This is, I guess, insane. They are targeting the NATO countries. And guys, this uses actually the phishing, malware, and compromised website actually. And right now, the victims in the Eastern Europe tactics point to state-backed ops. It's it, we right. So it's Russian speaking, so Russian hackers everywhere, right? Now, if you want to secure, like it says that it compromise a website as well. So if you want to secure any website, if you want to learn how to secure a website, right? How to find loophole, how to just report the vulnerability so that you can earn in millions, right? What to do? I have a solution for that. Today is the last day for the enrollment of training of internship program in web application pen testing. So you can join from here. Here the URL viih.com/tca. Let me know in the comment box. Anyways, next news is related to AITM. So AITM phishing kits bypass multi-factor authentication. Now to do. So there is a attacker using adversary in the middle kits. Actually, it can hijack session tokens and MFA bypass even credentials are secure. So right now, it target including Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. You can check out entire thing from GB Hackers, right? To get a clear picture how exactly it work and what does it do. Now, next one is related to Nitrogen ransomware. So right now, Nitrogen ransomware uses Cobalt Strike. So Cobalt Strike is probably, as I know, it's a reverse engineering tool for the ransomware, right? So actually, Nitrogen ransomware dropped the Cobalt Strike for the movement and stealth, right? So this wipes logs, abuse LOL beans, and spread via fake installers. So probably you'll be getting a fake installer. If you install, then you'll get some kind of fake thing, right? So this is right now targeting the Windows Enterprises network only. Like you can see a screenshot. This is a malicious Wins SCP zip bundle file. You see. This is DLL executable, which runs on the runtime, right? Now the next one is related to airborne. So airborne attack actually chain can hijack Apple devices. So guys, right now there's a lot of news is coming related to Apple. So I was planning to purchase a MacBook Pro, the latest version, but now it's like, well, the processing. Probably I'll do one thing. I'll just purchase a MacBook. I'll jailbreak, install the Linux. That's what I do. Actually, airborne flaw can lead to fully hijack Apple devices. Right. So this exploit chain abuses W8WDL and Bluetooth flaws in the Apple devices. If you're Apple user, probably you heard about all those things. So it enables actually zero-click hijacking via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and the Apple patches, but the older devices are still on the list. So guys, if you're using any old devices, just update it as soon as possible. This is CV, which is tag-based buffer overflow in AirPlay SDK. Now, next news is related to DNS. DNS abuse actually increasing the threat actors TTPs. So guys, there is attackers abusing DNS for C2 exfiltration and evasion right now. So tactics like tunneling, fast flux, and domain shadowing rising a lot, and it calls for the behavior DNS analysis in the threat defense. Right. So that's all for today. If you want to secure a website, you can join our training of intensive program so that you can learn something amazing. Because the people those are providing training now, they have reported vulnerability in almost all the big website. Right. So by that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.